What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. It's like 60 degrees out and I'm trying to go for a ride. Everyone else is riding. It's rained a couple times. I think I'm ready. My one problem is the Speed Twin is still in the garage. I haven't got the risers and gas cap back on from my last video. I got like an hour or two to get the Speed Twin back together. I got to retorque all the bolts that I removed. If this is your first time on the channel, please give this video a like and please subscribe if you want to see more installs, exhaust clips, 0 to 60s, bike reviews, news, events, anything. Anything bike related I do, even if it's not bike related, even if it's car related. Whatever, it doesn't matter. If you're a longtime fan of the channel and you want to further help support me, click the first link below. Buy me a beer, buy me a coffee. Tell me which kind of beer you want me to drink. If you live outside of the US, give me some foreign beers I've never tried. I'd like to try some new stuff. So donate like a couple dollars, buy me a beer. I'll drink it on my next video and I'll give your name a shout out. Yo, I feel like such an idiot. I got the gas cap and the risers back from Full Throttle Finishes. I don't even think I showed you how good these things look. Those are the finished products. Let's freaking get them on the bike so I can go for a ride. All right, to start it up, pull in the clutch, hit that red button.
Now let the clutch out.
Let the clutch out.
Beep, beep.
Putting it in sport. Go ahead. A little tall for you.
I can dig it.
Well, that's it. I'm going for a ride. Give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe.
Come on, babe, get on.
Peace.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.